Architecture. I came from Delhi to Cuttack. I found here a well-settled grand diagnostic and clinic center, and I think this center is fully equipped with all type of facilities, especially for the patients, and for drinking water facility, their sitting facilities, their all type of facilities are available. I never seen such type of facilities in any other centers, such a pathology center. And what I have listened that there are different type of tests are being done here by the experts of the diagnostic center, and their results are very reliable and accurate. I appreciate all the staff members, those who are working here, especially the girl who is making my video. She is very nice, intelligent, bright and polite also. I expect that all the people who are viewing my videos, they will certainly I will assure them that they have to come here. They will come here and they will see physically that what I said is correctly true to the best of my knowledge. Thank you. Thank you. All the best.